Whoa, Tommy. I am not surprised to see the lathe, but look at you.
Hey.
You are getting in the spirit.
Christmas spirit there, sonny boy. You gotta have it. I got a button here somewhere.
You got a headache? Oh, no.
Merry Christmas, right?
All right, please.
Let me find a button. I can leave that on for a while.
Please don't. Please don't. So, turning, what have you got in mind for today?
Well, you know, last year for Christmas, I turned some Christmas ornaments with my daughter, Kate.
Oh, yeah, I remember that, actually.
Very popular, so I decided that I might turn a few for some Christmas gifts.
Turned them and painted them all in one, right?
Yeah. I'm going to turn them. You want to help out? Maybe you can do a little turning or do a little painting. What do you think?
I'll do whatever you need me to do.
Yeah.
But so what do you got here? You got a couple scraps.
Scrap wood. I mean, these are scrap 2x4, 2x6s. I cut them up. This is a scrap piece of cherry.
Yeah.
And that's a cherry burl. I cut that off. And that's just waste wood. So I'll stick them in the chuck here, turn it on, and see what we can come up with.
I'm game. Let's do it.
All right.
You gonna wear the hat?
I'm gonna wear the hat, yeah. Why not?
Is that safety approved?
Yeah.
I know you've taught me how to lathe once or twice, but you're gonna have to refresh my memory, Tommy. Chuck?
This is a chuck.
Yeah.
And this is a 4-jaw chuck, and this end is square. Normally we'd find the centers to put one on this side and then center it on this side, and it spins in between it. Because this piece is so short, that I can just do it right off of here, and it's faster.
Because you're not going to have to pin. And what's this called again?
That is called the center. This is a live center right there.
Gotcha.
All right. So normally I'd find the center there, but I want to set the tool rest up a little bit below the center of the spin here. Mm-hmm. I want to be away enough so that I don't interfere with this. So I'm about a quarter of an inch out, and I'm eyeballing this so I'm parallel with this other side of the lathe right there, so I'll have a nice straight cut.
And you're not coming too far left to the chuck. So
Right.
you look
I
like
want to
you're
make
good.
sure everything's nice and tight because I don't want it to move.
Okay.
We're going to have safety glasses on.
Should we gear up?
Yeah, we'll gear up.
Do I have to wear a hat?
I don't know if we got one big enough. Oh. Now I like to turn these because they're so small and so tight. I will turn them at a high speed. I want to make sure I'm in forward, turn it on. And I'm thinking about 1800, 20, that's 2100. So let's try 2000. That's a good speed right there. Now I can rough this out with a roughing gouge. Used a roughing gouge before.
Yeah.
Or I could do the whole thing with a skew. But let's do a roughing gouge first, see what happens, all right? I'm just gonna basically make a taper, and then I'll feed off of that cone with my pattern. And I don't really know what I want to do right now, but I also want to make sure that they're all unique to one another, so I try not to make any of them the same. Now I'm going to think about the detail that I want to put on the end, so I'll make a little finial. All right, so I'll go back a little further, go a little deeper. I'll make the point to the finial, come down on it, slowly come down, just light pressure. Now I have a point.
Yep.
Okay.
I mean, it really is just free form, right? I mean, you're not
Free
going
form
off
right
of a
now.
template or a guide, anything in your
No,
imagination.
it's all what you see. So I could actually now feed off of that and make a little detail there. These that I make, a lot of them, they're basically practice. I have these pieces that I go down in my shop at night, and I might turn 3 or 4 of them because I'm doing my different cuts. So if I want to do a bead here off of this, I'll do a little bead, bring it in, and you have a little design. So now I can bring it back down here. From over here, I'll take from this high point, I might make a little cove in there. I want to get that edge, get my edge, bring it down, bring it out a little bit, and maybe roll it right around.
Yeah.
You see? Now I'm using my bevel, I'm using my edge, I'm riding the bevel, I'm turning off of the bevel, and the bevel is doing 2 things. It's making sure that my tool doesn't kick back at me, but it's also giving me a finish that is smooth.
Wow. Sanded smooth. That's amazing.
Yeah. You have to make sure your tools are sharp, because if they're not, you're not going to get the kind of cut that you want. I can't just go in straight. If I go in straight, that's the best I can do. So I have to follow the bevels to wherever I want to go, but I have to start straight so it doesn't kick back at me. Then I'll go in, and then I'm going in the direction of that bevel. See how it just follows that bevel right in? That could be an ornament right there.
That is remarkable. That puts you in the mood. Look at this.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Tommy must be happy on the lathe. What's the project today?
Speaking of elves, look at all these, huh?
Yeah, look at them all.
We
Well, we
came
got
to
a bunch
play.
of little ornaments that we're going to turn. We need some help sanding and painting. Anybody up for some work?
Yeah, let's
me.
do it.
Me,
All right.
Santa.
Mark,
All right.
you too. Wow.
Let's divide and conquer. Painting, sanding, hanging, hooking, the whole thing. All right, let's go.
All right, we got another little mini lathe. Set that up and do some sanding.
Break.
I'm going to do some more cutting.
Those are beautiful.
I'll cut something.
We can start with that one.
Is that
ready?
Yeah, that one looks ready, right?
Yeah, this one's ready.
Let's start with that.
Oh, that's nice right there.
That's money.
Ornament.
Thank you, Richard.
You go.
Ooh, look at
This one's
that.
gonna go to the top, Ross.
All righty.
Ornament coming in.
Coming in, ornament.
Excellent.
Thank you, sir.
All right, I might go all the way. Pretty good.
Feels like
pretty-
your red has to get better.
This red is gone.
The red, some of the red. Do we have any more paint? You want
Is
some
there a
of that?
red brush? Here, try the red brush. Hold on, there you
All right, here we go.
go. Let's do a red for this last little bit here. Let's leave the white right there.
What about adding a little more green there?
This is like finger painting, sort of. You were really good at finger painting.
Aw.
Oh, wait, thank you.
That's a good one.
That's a nice one.
You're right. Looks
Tommy?
like a red nunner.
Like that?
Looks good.
All right. All right, who's doing hooks? We're doing hooks over here.
Ross.
We are.
All right, we got one ready. Oh, yeah, okay. Thank you, sir. You got it. All right, do you want to do the hooks or you want
Yeah,
me to do
I'll
the
do it.
hooks?
Well, you can. This is wet,
Oh,
so we need this to be cut so we can put the eye hooks in.
excellent.
Okay.
Excellent.
And then, do we have another one to do? Tommy, are you really behind on your production?
Ross,
A little touch on this one.
I can't get that
corner.
angle. You
All
go.
right, I got you.
You go.
I got you. Rotation.
Rotation.
Rotation. How about that?
Tommy, very nice job. These things turned out great. Great job, everybody, right?
Yeah, they all did a
Thank
great
you.
job. Great job
It
painting.
was fun.
Looks good.
It was fun. All right, well, that is a wrap. So from all of us at Ask This Old House to your family, we wish you the happiest of holidays. All right, guys, nice job. Father
Happy
Christmas.
holidays.
Merry Christmas.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.